first time I'm trying this camera. Today's episode is mostly about hobbies and like what I like to do in my free time, and I want to make sure that I have enough time for this in 2026. And so today I want to focus on my hobbies, but I also think we talked about it in the habits section where I want to set time for those hobbies and actually spend time on it like fully. I also watched this video of a content creator. She said something that was really interesting. Some hobbies or like free time activities are creative coming out of you, and some are creative coming at you. For example, reading a book is more like passive. You read the book. When it's painting, for example, coming out from you need inspiration, etc. And both of them like take different types of energy. I want to be able to balance between both and creating the habits around just so that I can manage it without it draining me. For today, as we're talking about hobbies, I thought it would be a good thing to like focus on a few of my hobbies. We're gonna start with reading, and then we're gonna do a creative one coming out of us. But the first one is going to Barnes and Nobles to buy a book because for Christmas I received a little present. Barnes and Nobles gift card. And also I just bought a shelf for my room. I'm really happy. I found it on Facebook Marketplace. Really cool shelf. We need to set all my books in the shelf.
To Barnes and Nobles!
So, go ahead.
Oh, I was just gonna say what you were gonna say.
What am I gonna say?
We're at Barnes and Nobles.
That's not what I was about to say.
Okay, you say what you're gonna say.
No, go ahead.
What's up, Emily Nation? We are at Barnes and Nobles.
We can't see the logo from here, but... Okay, so we are at Barnes and Nobles with him. He is gonna take care of filming. Have a cameraman for today.
Yes, yes, that's me. I am cameraman for today. Hello, I'm the cameraman for today. You won't be seeing much of me because I'm gonna be recording Emily.
Basically, we have 25 books. Today, this is gonna be used. And this is gonna be eaten really fast. Oh, where is my fork?
The Little Mermaid.
I'm no mermaid, unfortunately. Emily is. You got the reference from The Little Liars? Because she's a swimmer. Look inside. There's so many like cute papers, like bookmarks. That's so cool. Where my money goes. I really need to do this though for 2022. Get all my money. Ooh, this one looks even better. Oh, it's the Canadian price. $49. I was like, excuse me? Look on the inside. There's too much options. That's crazy. There's so many books. I heard this one is really good. I don't know, maybe. Look at this cover. Oh, I offered this one to a friend. Got it for like 11 bucks. This is 20 bucks. I got it at Marshall's. She said it was a really good one. Like she was like 20 pages in and it's already like made her cry, laugh, and everything else. Like she loves it.
Damn, 20 pages made her cry?
I don't know if it was 20 or 50, but it's more dramatic if I say 20.
Yeah, right.
Oh, look at this Alice's Adventure. Look at that.
So are her adventures just bullshit?
Honestly, it's highly possible that I go for a like creative book. I want to read more on my e-reader. I really like the dragon thing. There's this Twilight. It is really pretty. Oh wait, I've been willing to read like more. I don't know if this is fantasy, but Asian fantasy. This one is $12.99. Is it fantasy? Yeah, fantasy. For me, the best way to find if people are gonna like a book, you look for the title on Pinterest, type like review or something, and people are gonna do like those things where they put lines, and now it gives you all the tropes, and like this, you know if you're gonna like it or not.
So do you think you're gonna like it based off of what it says?
Yeah. I think everything in there is something that I'm interested in. I think in terms of books, I might just stay on this one. I don't know, I thought it was like the second Twilight or something.
Ooh, this thing is cool though.
It does look a lot like the Twilight back there. Oh, there's these. Well, I don't know if I'll like them, but...
Ooh, the cover's cool.
How much is it? $10.99. Let me double check the description of this one. It doesn't motivate me as much as the other one. Yeah, this one really motivates me.
Whoa.
What is it? Oh yeah, it's the same that you had up there.
Ew.
I didn't see that part. What is it?
And so the lion fell in love with the lamb.
Where's the art section again? Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Is it just here? This cover is really pretty. I like it. Or this one. I got Heartstopper like last time, so I guess we're good in this section.
Oh, bye-bye section.
Bye-bye section. The thing is, I'm gonna be real with you. I read one witchcraft book. It's kind of like man girl who was talking about her life 24/7. So one day I went through this and that. What I learned is empathy is important, and it's like, thank you. You know, it's like white women books talking about like yoga is important, and they don't tell you about like the culture it comes from. Like a Holy Bible with a lion on the front.
The lion fell in love with the sheep.
I know a part of me wants to be like, okay, let's read all the major religious books, but it's like you're reading a newspaper. Let's try to figure out if we can find like some creative stuff. Oh, puzzles. No puzzles today.
No puzzles.
The problem with puzzles is like, oh, it's fun. We're gonna like do puzzles and stuff, and then you have to buy the frame. So freaking expensive.
Ooh.
How much is it? That's not bad.
I'll buy it the day I have a place to actually put my books for exclusive edition from Barnes and Nobles.
Emily, just keep this right here. This is like AI.
Barnes and Nobles, what are you doing? My friend loved these. Sorry, Dean Martin. I thought you were Charlie Kirk. One Direction.
Dude, if you buy this, it's $25 off.
Well,
How much is it?
$229.
Okay, so $200. It's a good notebook.
It's an amazing notebook.
It's not that good.
44 bucks.
$50, but look at this thing.
Would you use it?
But I don't know. It's $50. I might put it on display. Oh, see, I considered getting this one, but I was like, it was too
Pinky?
yeah, it was too like white and bright.
No, you did the right choice, I think. It's the only one they have, it seems.
That's your guy. Oh, it's a full book of just Pedro Pascal or what?
Really? It is.
Holy shit.
Maybe I should get that. How much is this thing? Woo! 20 bucks. Pedro, I like you, but
The Pedro Bible.
I'm sorry, Pedro. I'm gonna spend my money on the wisest stuff. Not saying it's not wise to take like a book with a bunch of pictures of you. Like, what's the original price? That's the question.
Is it here?
Sorry, I put your hair behind my ear. But I've heard this one is really good.
I don't know where she went, y'all. I don't know where she went. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Found you. Did you hear me?
No.
I was like, Emily.
Really?
Oh, not that loud. I'm gonna come around, okay?
Okay, see ya.
In a world where Emmeline has to choose between a million books, he may never leave Barnes & Noble.
Yeah. I found one though. It's the same one as before. Very pretty cover, look.
Oh, this cover is pretty.
I'm going back on the shelf, I'm not sure. This is the book that I have.
No, do it more natural.
Wow. Do I deserve an Oscar?
Yes. Coming soon. The Champions. By who? Kaza Thomas. Is Kaza Thomas good?
I don't know. You need to look online. At least guys, Thomas is a bad person. That's a shelf.
I keep running into this shit.
Ooh, beesh.
Uh-oh, she's dancing.
Let's see, what is this one about?
Uh-oh. Karen, a lot of books, don't drop any. They're not... Nothing.
What's this author I like, but I can't find her? Alex something. I have zero interest in reading that because of the guy. Ooh. There's two books that look the same. Oh, the battle continues. So this one's the second one, this one's the first one.
Oh my gosh, look how many books he has, guys.
It's like I've been there for hours and I couldn't find any, and now I'm like, For now, I like those two a lot. It's in like the Asian fantasy that I'm trying to get into, so I really like that.
Shout out Asian people.
Shout out you a little.
Which one you're not sure?
The back one, but it looks really pretty. And
Oh, the black one?
This one sounds really good too. It says it's like a human and a monster that become friends, and it's like the monster wants to become human and the human wants to become monster. I kind of like the idea of it. And then they like, there's I think a mystery in town. They have to uncover this one. I'm not sure, but from what I understood, it's something like there's kids disappearing, and the witch is kind of like an outcast, and she's gonna try to find the kids or whatever. Something like that, I don't know. These two, this one, fantasy, talks about colonialism and stuff, so it's this girl who lives in a country that has been colonized, and her culture is kind of like dying and stuff, and I think she goes on an adventure, like fantasy vibes. Those two sound really good, and it's what I'm looking into these days, so I feel like I'm gonna go for these. Together they do 25. So I think we're going for those two, The Girl Who Fell Beneath the Sea, and Song of Silver Flame Like Night. Oh, am I too close?
A little bit.
It's kind of like what I've been looking for, like some Asian fantasy. Because I started this one. Since then on Pinterest I have so many recommendations of those type of books, so I'm into it. And we're going to buy those two. And it fits perfectly. I have a few cents more, like maybe 98 cents to pay for two books.
Sweet.
Sweet. So as we saw before, those two books are new to the bookshelf. I guess those are going to be the first books in there. Should I do a rainbow? People do that, but I don't know. It's
I think you just throw them in there.
Because I know that lots of people do it like in rainbow looking. Of like all the reds and all the blah, 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 blah.
That would be really cool.
And I do
You have
think
a lot
it's
of black.
Cool. Yeah, I do have lots of black. But yeah, those are the two first books. Heartstopper. It goes well with those. I don't know, maybe I should do the rainbow thing. It's so nice to have a shelf. Oh my goodness.
Whoa, this one's big.
Very big. And now, if I have extra space, what I can do is these guys. Hold on. Little plant, hurt book, one of these guys, and ta-da! Here we go. Change of plans. We are not gonna go take the pictures, though we will probably do it during the week. So if you want to see it, go check our Instagram. The change of plan is we're not gonna go take the pictures. Instead, we're gonna do this because we're a little tired. I don't think we're gonna do the whole video of us like actually building it like from beginning to end. But we were thinking maybe you can join us for a little bit.
It's only 2 AAAs.
Look how cool it is. Like, look how detailed.
I know. We're gonna have so much fun.
When I saw the display of it, I was like, this is so cool.
All right. Step
We can
one.
do it. We can do this.
Before assembly, please make sure to test if the lights is working properly by...
Well, do you want to take AAAs out of like your remote?
There you go.
Alright, and we're done.
Tool, where are you? Thank you so much for the present. I love it.
You're welcome. Oh, and we have glue.
So
and
basically,
everything.
look, there's letters like H5,
Mhm.
and you have every plate is like a letter. So H is going to be here. 4.
So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Or you can put
No,
the
I
other
don't mind.
ones.
I don't mind.
You can
It's
put this
yours.
one.
Here.
No, we can do it together.
The tool.
I'm going to collect the pieces for the next one.
But either way, it's like there's this plus glue. Like this thing is never falling apart.
I don't feel like we need a hammer or something.
Right, like a little mallet. My mom, she fixes watches, right? And like she has like a small little one. It's like, yeah, if she could teleport here, that'd be great. And give us her little mallet.
Your mom's so cool.
Thank you. Whoa.
You're welcome. Oof. It smells like glue.
Oh. Oh my god, it smells like school glue. Like
Let me just put the like each of these. Like we're gonna do. This one's staying here. This one too. It's gonna be on the other side.
put him with them.
I'd say there's no eye. There's probably no eye because it looks too much like a one. We're supposed to do, you know, the picture thing. There might be a little change of plan, but the picture thing should still be happening. I think we'll be off for this video right now though. Like, I don't think we're gonna bring you with us, but if you wanna see the result of the color hunting thing, and if you wanna know who did the best pictures, you can check our Instagrams. I don't know if we can see, but the Instagrams will be there. You can check. We'll probably not drop the video right now, but you know, it will drop at some point. And yeah, I'm happy. My shelf is finally up. See you tomorrow.